the issue with Elite Babe and the hairline, honey, she was thicker than a Snicker, okay? She was thick, girl, okay? She was thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, honey. She was thick.
Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit that I will be reviewing today was caught with my own coins, and it is by Outre. It is from their Melted Hairline collection, and it is in the style Martina, and I do have it in the color 1B. As you guys can see right here, this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it also has that little elastic band that comes with wigs that you can wear like glueless. And you can kind of see right there that it has enough space for you guys to have that frontal look with this wig. Now honey, right here I put old girl on and I was like, what? Like the hairline, honey. Okay, it's the hairline for me, girl. It's the hairline for me. Like I am literally flipping out. Like, why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? What? Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this wig. If you are interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, love bugs, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this is a unit that I caught with my own coins. Honey, shout out to me for spending them coins, girl. I told you guys that I did order a few syntheticas, honey, to bring you guys the syntheticas, girl. So this unit is by Outre. It is from their Melted Hairline collection. This unit is in the style Martina, and I have it in the color 1B. And it says frontal effect hairline, baby hairs included, pre-attached wide elastic band. So this is what it looks like on the stock card. It also has that little sticker right there. Come on, girl. That says HD transparent lace. So all of that is like on the front of the stock card. Then inside it just kind of gives you guys the specs. It says soft HD transparent lace, 5-inch deep pardon, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, natural baby hairs, redesigned comfort fit ear contour. And then on the inside, it's kind of showing you that you can tuck this hair behind your ear because of the way that it has the lace and the baby hairs. You can tuck it behind your ear even though it's not a frontal unit, which I love about these newer units. Like, I like that they have that. And then on the back it says the special colors that Miss Martina comes in, girl. She comes in ginger brown, DRFF golden amber, DRFF red velvet, and 3DR Malibu. Ugh, child, get it out, girl. What in the world? 3DR Malibu blonde, which I am really interested in that particular color. It looks good. It kind of reminds me of a latte-ish color. And the model is actually wearing the color DRFF Golden Amber. So you guys can get a good look at that. Okay, so now with this particular unit, what the specs, honey, no lies told, honey. I spotted not one lie. Okay, girl, it does come with baby hairs, and to me, it does come with the HD transparent lace. Now, I know I be getting people saying, girl, that's not HD lace, blah, blah. I don't know what you consider HD lace. I consider it HD lace if you are able to put your powder on it and it kind of like disappears. Like, honey, she don't go all the way away, but you know, she kind of melts, girl. To me, that's HD, but I don't know. It just depends. It depends on you. I know I'm a little bit, I guess, lax when it comes to my wig. So it just depends on you, girl. And it obviously does come with baby hairs all around the perimeter. And it is a pre-plucked hairline. So all of that, like I said, no lies told, girl. No lies told whatsoever. Now, as far as the cap construction, it does come with, if I'm not mistaken, 3 combs in the front, but it could be 2, girl. You know, I always get that wrong. Don't judge me. And it does come with 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And it does, like they stated, have that elastic band. And I always call it the glueless band. Because when you have that band, you can wear your wig glueless. So it does have that band on it as well. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit, like, honey, she might tangle, but girl, I ain't noticed her. I have not noticed it. If she does shed, girl, I had noticed it. Okay. And as far as I'm concerned, when it comes to wigs, especially a synthetic wig, if I don't notice her shedding, then I don't care. Okay. I don't care if she sheds. Like, if it's not so much that I can't notice it, I'm just basically like, well, she don't shed, okay? Because I ain't seen it, okay? So yeah, that's how I feel. And what else do I want to say about Miss Girl? That's pretty much it. I think, yeah, I feel like she is big head friendly in my opinion, but I do feel like I'm just kind of just off when it comes to the big head friendliness these days. I would say that this wig is like an average cap size, and you can do with that what you want to, girl. Okay, do with that what you want to. I feel like it's an average cap size. Now, as far as the texture, to me, this unit is more on the yaki-ish texture, but it's like a good yaki. You know what I mean? She's not stiff, girl. She got that body, honey. Okay, I love that about these type of units. Like, I'd like for my wigs to be an in-between. I don't want you so yaki, you stiff and dry, but I don't want you so silky that I know you're not gonna last. So I like it to be a good mixture, and to me, this one is a good mixture of the two, and definitely more yaki than anything. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, obviously, I don't have to do a lint check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So if you are interested in how I personally feel about this wig and all that good stuff, then please continue to watch. Honestly, y'all, I think you already know. She's an entire look to me. She's an entire vibe. I was definitely pleasantly surprised with this wig, honey. Okay, I really thought that I loved Elite Babe. Like, I was like, oh my God, this is Babe. But the issue with Elite Babe, and Cynthia pointed it out, and I meant to say it in the video and I completely forgot, was the hairline, honey. She was thicker than a Snicker, okay? She was thick, girl, okay? She was thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, honey. She was thick. So I like the wig, but I do feel like this one is much better because the hairline is definitely pre-plucked. The hairline is definitely better. So this one beats Elite Babe to me. Like, it kind of gives me the same vibe as Elite Babe. She's just better though, girl. Okay? She's just better. Like, I don't know. I can't remember the pricing. I don't know who's cheaper, but honestly, y'all, she's better. If you have the option of the two, unless you're just looking, because the Elite Babe is more of a yucky texture than this one. But between the two, I would go with this one because the hairline is just bae. The hairline is bae, girl. Okay, like, she's gorgeous. So I'm feeling it. I think it is an entire look. Now, I did use my wax stick on this unit, and I don't know what I did with it. I lose that wax stick about 30 times a week. But it is in the description box if you are interested in it. I did use that, and I did use my hot comb. So obviously, girl, she is heat safe, honey. Okay. And yeah, that is pretty much it. She's a vibe. She's a look. I like her. Let me know down below what you guys think. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So once again, I'm feeling it. It's a look to me. Let me know down below what you guys think. Is it a look to you? Let me know. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Hair to Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.